Hey everyone, we're going to just work on the properties of logarithms. You have three main properties that usually the textbooks give you: the product property, the quotient property, and the power property. They're from the properties of exponents, so they should seem familiar. We also know that b can't be 1, and also that our m and n and b all have to be positive. So all those numbers must be positive when we're doing this. And there's one that the textbooks they don't seem to write down, but we're going to use. The fact that log of the value of the base is 1. We're going to have to use that. So that's because if you rewrite this, a base to the first power equals the base. So make sure you kind of know that, because we're going to do that as well. So you'll see these kind of problems here. They're going to give you information. For example, log base 12 of 3 is approximately 0.4421. And they're also going to give you another part, log base 12 of 7 is approximately 0.7831. Now, when they give you this, what you need to know is you also need to remember that log base 12 of 12 equals 1. They're not going to give you that, but you will use that sometimes. So let's do some problems here. We're going to go easy to harder. So number 1, log base 12 of 21. This is in condensed form, and I know I have log base 12 of 3 and log base 12 of 7. So I'm going to rewrite this as log base 12 of 7 times 3, which would be like your m times n. Now I'm going to extend it and write it as log base 12 of 7 plus log base 12 of 3. Now that we have the information, we substitute, write 0.4421 plus 0.7831, and that's going to give you 1.2252. So this exercise is mainly to help you use your properties of logs. Okay, the next one we have is log base 12 of 7 over 3. So I'm going to extend that and write it as log base 12 of 7. Use the quotient property minus log base 12 of 3. Using the information they gave me, this is log base 12 of 7 is 0.7831 minus 0.4421, which is approximately 0.3410. Okay, on the next one, we got two different options on this. We can do log base 12 of 49. Now we have to break it up. If we want to extend this, we can write this as log base 12 of 7 times 7, which is going to be your m and n. So it's going to be log base 12 of 7 plus log base 12 of 7. And when you add these two together, you're going to get 1.6673. What you should do to simplify this is maybe write it this way: 7 squared. Okay, now let's use our power property and pull this 2 in front. So you get 2 times log base 12 of 7, which is going to be 2 times 0.7831, which yields approximately the same result. Okay? The power property is pretty handy here. Okay, now let's do the next one. We have log base 12 of 36, which we can write as log base 12 of 12. Don't forget, we still have this we can use, times 3. So this is your m times n. You can use your power property or product property, and you get log base 12 of 12 plus log base 12 of 3, which is log base 12 of 12 is just 1, plus log base 12 of 3 is 0.4421, which is 1.4421. Okay, the next one we have is log base 12 of 63. Now I can rewrite this as log base 12 of 9 times 7. We don't have a log base 12 of 9, so we do have log base 12 of 3, so I'm going to write this as 3 squared times 7. Now, I'm going to go, or you could say 3 times 3 times 7 and add it up, but I'm going to expand this, log base 12 of 3 squared plus log base 12 of 3. And what I'm going to do is change this exponent and move it in front. So we get 2 times 0.4421. Well, this is supposed to be 7, right? So this was 7. Plus 1. Oh, it's not 1. It is 0.7831. And that's going to give you 1.6673. Next one we have is log base 12 of 27 over 49. I'm going to rewrite this as log base 12 of 3 cubed over 7 squared. Now expand this, I have log base 12 of 3 cubed using the quotient property minus log base 12 of 7 squared. I'm going to use my power property and bring the 3 in front. Also bring the 2 in front. So we have 3 times 0.4421 minus 2 times 0.7831. And that's going to give you a negative, approximately, negative 0.2399. And that's basically how you use the properties of your logarithms. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.